Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is a special video. It's not a hot flash video. It is a review of the CurrentBody LED light therapy mask. I love it. I'm just telling you. I've been using it for, well, I did the unboxing on the 13th, and I think on that I said I'd been using it for like about 6 days. Well, and I could already feel it after 6 days. That's how good it is. I knew it was good, but now I use it every single night. I keep it by my bed and I put it on. As soon as I get in bed, I put it on and then I turn on my meditation. My meditation is only 4 minutes long, and this, you're supposed to wear it for 10 minutes and it has an automatic shut off at 10 minutes. So I just put this on, I listen to my meditation, and when my meditation's over, I put my phone, I always put my phone right here. I just put my phone on the nightstand and then I just lay there, and usually I fall asleep, but then when it turns off, I wake up and take it off and put it on the nightstand. I kind of wish, and in the morning, my skin feels so tight and nice. It feels wonderful. It's just, I can't wait to see what kind of results I'm going to get in the long term, because I've been using it for, like I said, a little over a month, and I think it's amazing. I think it's great for anti-aging. I wish I had got, and I got this in PR, so I did not pay for this. I'm not being paid for any kind of promotion though. I just really love it. But I would have, had I been going to buy it, I would have bought the one that it's the same mask, but it also has a neck piece and a décolletage piece. That's how good I think it is. I don't know if I would have bought that in the first place before I tried it, but now I would like to have that. I would buy that during the Black Friday sale but I don't see it on their website that it comes separately. I'll have to check into it a little more. Anyways, I have a coupon code. I will put it down below that will give you, I think it's 15% off. I can't remember now. Yeah, it's 15% off. And then it goes down to 10% on the 28th, I think. I'm pretty sure. It'll say down below exactly what it is, because I also have one for my Sleep and Glow pillow, and it is like that too. It's like I have a 10% coupon, and then, but for the Black Friday sale, it's 20. And then it goes back on the, I think it's the 29th for that one, or vice versa. But it will have the correct information in the box below, because I meant to write that down so I'd have it right here, but I didn't. And it's taking me so long to get this video made. So I want to get it up, and so that you guys have the codes. So I will put it in the box below. Anyways, this is a super thumbs up. This and my Sleep and Glow pillow are my two favorite anti-aging products. I think they are well worth it, because you guys know that I've gotten Botox before, and Botox only lasts like 6 months tops, usually about 4 months. And it costs a lot. It's like, last time I got it, I think it was $550. So, you know, this is less than that. I don't remember how much exactly it was, especially with the coupon codes and stuff. But this, you know, it'll last forever, because this is rechargeable. It has a USB thing to recharge it with. I really, really, really like it. Plus, it seems like it helps me sleep, and I can use anything to help me sleep. So this one, and then my Sleep and Glow pillow. I'm going to show it to you real quick, even though you guys have already seen it. It's got the cutouts so that you lay on it like this, and then you put your face, and then none of this gets wrinkled. I used to have on this side such deep, deep wrinkles, because this is the side I sleep on, because I would push it forward, I guess, when I did, because I would put my hands under my pillow and then sleep on it. And I thought they would never, I didn't even think Botox could get rid of them. Actually, I never get Botox down here. And they are a lot better. I mean, I still have wrinkles. There's no doubt about that. But like I said, I've only been using it for 5 weeks. I intend to keep using it for as long as it lasts. And hopefully that will be a very long time. So anyways, another coupon code for my Sleep and Glow pillow will be in the information box with all the information on it. Now, for the rest of our stuff. The rest of our stuff is not like Black Friday stuff, or at least I don't know if it's Black Friday stuff. This is just stuff I have bought, like gifts and stuff that I thought you guys might be interested in. I'm pretty sure I showed you this in a haul not too long ago, but I hadn't used it yet. I just bought it, and I just wanted to show it to you again because I love it. It is L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It, and it is in Deep. I know I saw it on here, but I don't see it. Oh, Deep. Yeah, Deep. Number 3. It's not Deep. It's awesome. And it's really sparkly in here, but I don't see the sparkle when I put it on. It's just the perfect winter color. It's not so orangey. It's much more milk chocolatey. So I'm loving this. So that's going to be one of the things. And this last time I went to Ulta, and I've already opened them because I had to look at them. They had these new nails at, you know, these kind that I wear, that I glue on. And they're from OPI. I put these on. Aren't they so pretty? Can you see? They're so pretty. I really, really like them. And they're cheaper than those other ones. These ones. These static nails. These ones, one pair was $15.99 and one pair was $13.99. So they're not super cheap. They're not as cheap as the Kiss ones, but they're stronger than the Kiss ones. And I really, really love them. And then I bought these. These are the static nails, but I don't like these. I got these at J Maxx, and they were only $10. And these static nails are $22 at Ulta. And so I found these, and I thought those are cute. I think those are great for $10 a pair. So I bought 2 of them, and then I got them home, and I took them out. And you see how the bottom, it's clear. And I have really, really ugly nails under here and really short nail beds, and you could see right through them. So I got to take these back because they didn't work out for me. But they had other ones. It's just these are the only ones they had in this shape. And so that's why I got these, because they had shorter ones and they had rounder ones. And I could have got some of those, but I thought those were good. So I got those. Anyways, I also got this. I got this on Amazon for my husband, because I saw an ad, it's all over Instagram, for one of these. It's not this one, of course. They want like $50 for theirs, something ridiculous. So I just looked at it to see what it was. And then I went to Amazon and found one that was more reasonable. And so I got one for my husband and one for my son for Christmas. So they're getting that. And then I got this because, well, they're guys. So I got each of them one of these too. This, and it doesn't have any stuff in it, or I would show you. It is a lighter, like for like a fire. I think it says you can use it for cigars too, but I'd be afraid to do that. But it has a level thing. But anyways, you just, you just pull it back. Yeah. And it sends a torch out like that. It's real heavy. They're going to love it. And they're refillable with butane. So I got them a can of butane because it came, most of the time when you buy things like this, it comes with stuff in it, right? Well, this is, neither one of them would light at all. So I'm hoping it's just because they need to be filled. But I got them those. I think they're going to love them. Love playing with them. You know. Now I can't get back in there. Oh, there we go. All right. So a couple of those. And then, you guys know I loved that Nudestix foundation. So I went and got the concealer. I got this at Ulta. I got the lightest color. So we will be testing that out real soon. This is a quick video. I just want to get this up so you guys get these codes. So I thought I'd throw in a few things that I got for Christmas, just in case. I got this too, and I was going to go get one that I had already filled. These are those little perfume things. You just take the the sprayer thing off the top of your perfume, and you put the bottom of this on there and you pump it and it fills this little thing up and you can carry it in your purse. I thought that was great. I thought, I know a lot of people that would like that. So I got one of those. And then for my son, he doesn't really wear hoodies. He likes zip-ups. So I got him this one. It's an Adidas one. He seems to be an Adidas guy. So it's just black with stripes on it, but it was pretty. It doesn't look very black when I do that, does it? Because this is so black, but it is. It's black. And then I do have some down here too that I got for my husband. I got him this one, which is just like one I have. And I got him this one. Because he needed new hoodies this year. And I got those two at TJ Maxx. And then I got him these from Costco. Some Dearfoam slippers. I think that's it. I think we're done. That's it. So I will quick try and get this up with all the codes in it so that you guys can use those Black Friday codes. And I encourage you to go look at that pillow and that mask. They are very, very good. And no, I'm not getting paid anything for this. I just really think they're good. And I think that you'll like them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay cool.